get close.
Me too. Much better. So this is the winners finals of Tekken 7?
That's the winners finals for Tekken 7 here at Gameland in Luxembourg.
2018.
And it's between 2018, yes. Gotta specify that.
Gameland 2, aka Gameland 2018.
Yeah.
And we're going to Mishima Building. Probably Yoshimitsu versus Paul, I'd say.
Get ready for the
Yeah, my
next
brother is
round.
going with Yoshimitsu, that's for sure.
Yeah. I think Zerok is going for Paul. That's his main, he said.
I think so, yeah. It's Paul. He's playing a lot of characters.
Yeah. Well,
So now we have Luxembourg's Rod versus Germany's
Zerok.
from
Germany.
Game. No, from Insert Game. A lovely
Yeah.
German FGC who always visits us.
Yep. Good friends of ours. Partnership.
But now they're not friends, now they're enemies.
No, now they are enemies because Rod plays against Germany. So will that be Death? That will be Death Fist.
Yeah.
Last movement. What is super 4-1? Double match. Will there be a 50-50?
Oh, it doesn't know the straight.
Death Fist. Punish.
Nice.
2-2. Nice.
Oh, with the mix of
Magic Fly Stance.
cheap sheet.
Nice. This could be it.
And it is.
This is it. Nice round by Rod.
Also too.
Nice.
Oh, it looked like really Zay was in the lead, but now.
Then came the comeback. The new Tekken 7 mechanics.
Nah, yeah.
Rayguard is
Gotta watch out for that.
Rayguard and Rage Drive are the comeback mechanics.
Damn right.
Yeah. Well, good movement.
Oh, he knows that. He knows that.
4-4-2, but no extension. He knows it.
But we'll know.
4-4-4. Whoopie knee. Outstanding one. Back 2-2. He doesn't stop.
Nice
Side stab. Up good to the wall. Oh, weird, he misses. Nice grab break. Down for 2-2. Down for
Nice.
2. Punishes with 1-1. Nice punish.
Convincing duel, I would say.
Yeah. Rod definitely deserved it.
Nice.
That's minus 11 only. He should have again. Back 1-2
Right
for
to
the
the last
punish.
frame.
So we go for Kukupini with nice side step. The plus frames. What in the front? The sweep lead. Doesn't duck.
Nice side step. There was a really nice side step.
2 setups. This is a really good setup. This could be.
No.
It's not goblin. Went straight to him.
Nice.
Nice match. 3-0. Pretty convincing, I like.
Pretty good, yeah. I must say,
It's definitely deserved.
I'm not saying because he's my brother. I'm biased.
This was
Nice match
very
from-
deserved.
Yeah, that's 1-0 for Rod.
We're going to second match.
But nothing,
Still Paul.
nothing is decided. That's the first 2-3.
There's still Death Fist is still lurking and looking for rounds. There goes Korsaka for 3. And nice punish. Back 1-2. It doesn't duck it. Back 2-2. Nice punish. It wasn't punish. Nicely done.
It was nice.
It was nice. And safe. The slide. No punish on the slide.
Nope.
Down forward 4. Second 3.
That was like it.
Nice. Down 1+2. Willy Rage Drive. Really nicely done.
Nice. Zero still in the game.
Neutron bomb. You gotta respect it. I don't know if Yoshi can punish that.
That hurts.
Another one. And guilty death.
Nice.
That was a Paul round.
Yeah, that was a poor round.
Cannot. This is the definition of Paul.
Yeah. Then again.
Another death bit. Another one. No whip punish though. Nice grab break. Nice movement.
Nice hop there. We're feeling King of Fighters, I think.
Nice hop. This is King of Fighters, man.
No. We don't hop in Tekken.
Nicely done. Duck that.
Nice.
Nicely done. 4-3. Do not always do that.
Oh, he knows that.
Nice.
He knows that.
That. No. No, it's not.
Oh,
Nice. Hammer of the God.
ooh, sending the message.
The instant 3-0 run back.
The instant Ryo.
The instant.
It's back and forth. It's like Windjammers.
That's just what Paul is. He's like the most combative character ever. One death fist at the back of the game.
Round one.
One counter with death fist and he's dead. Down one. What was that? I've never seen that move. I probably have.
Email Hara.
Email Harada, please.
What was that move?
Never
Sending
seen.
footage from Gameland.
Nice duck.
Really nice stuff.
Duck land. Oh, combo drop. This will be nice damage. He's in the lead. But Paul has range. One hit decides it. Back to
nice duck.
Bad decision.
Bad decision, yeah. Nice duck.
Nice combo.
Nice
combo.
reactions from Zero there.
That's because nobody in Luxembourg ducks there. That's it. Nice duck on the demo map. That's also really hard low to drop. Nice. I'm back to 4-4.
Nice duck.
Nice duck, but didn't punish. I don't think if Mitsu has a consistent punishment that fist.
Nice.
The gimmicks. Punish that. Nice with
Nice.
punish. Down back 4.
Rod is back in the game.
So it's 1-1. 4-3-3. 4-4-3.
There he goes. He knows. He knows the low.
Nice low bro.
Third time.
Back nice. Nice combo. Will he go for setup or for combo? No.
He go for nothing.
He will go for nothing.
No mix up. Oh, that's that. That's right there.
One death fist.
Round
It's over.
You don't need much with Paul.
Nope.
Only
Just
that
circle 4, 2 and down 4.
Nice punish.
Nice wrist punish.
Nice.
Sword sweep. Nice down back force. It's safe. No, it's not safe. I think.
Nice.
This is a pretty close game at the moment.
I'm super nervous right now.
I'm not, but anyway.
Hey, it's my brother. It's not your brother.
Exactly.
You gotta represent for the family.
Exactly. Well, he didn't reflect it, but this could be wall. He goes for setup. That's a really dirty setup. If you get up, he gets plus frames. If you don't get up, well, be it, you get eaten. You beat it. If you wake up, you get lost. Duck that, please. Back to 2. Back to 1. This is
Nice.
nice slides. Nice lows. Will he go for that fist? Nice block.
Oh, nice.
Turn. 2-1 to HP.
2, 1. Ooh,
The crowd freaking out.
some cheering is from the crowd.
Yep. Some
Rod has his
small
fans.
amount of cheering.
Shoutouts to Tenji.
Yep. Shout out to our boy Matt Chicken.
king of Iron Fist tournament 7.
He stays with Yoshimitsu, but
Of course he stays.
will Zero change character? Will he pick Lee for us?
Do
I will
it.
give you my
Do
rose.
it. Do it for the week.
I will give you my rose if you do.
Ooh, we're thinking about it.
If you pick Violet, you get the sunglasses for free.
Ooh, Miguel.
Close enough. It goes for Miguel. If you don't know the matchup, you're screwed.
Yeah, and I can tell you something really nice.
Yep. Well,
I don't know if he knows the match. He just knows his magic.
well, I played Miguel for about a week.
Yeah, maybe. But you play every character about
Yeah.
a week.
Yeah, I play everyone about a week.
What's your favorite character? No, it's random select. You know that.
I know, I do.
You know how you do?
Well,
And it's Violet. It's not Lee.
yep, Violet is the best.
I am the Violet.
You're Lee, I'm Violet.
Maybe. But it's not about us.
It's about
It's about gameplay.
Yoshimitsu and Miguel.
Oh, Miguel.
The dirty pilot from the street.
Round
La Rojas.
The Portuguese. Oh no, Spanish.
Oh, he's Spanish.
People thought he was Portuguese.
Only Geese. The only Geese in Tekken is Geese house.
So we got good movement, plus frames. I don't know anything about Miguel. Just that I lost to him
don't know
yesterday.
That's a nice blow, I guess.
He has good lows, but there's a lot of highs that can be done. That's his problem. And although being the tallest character in the game, he has one of the worst ranges.
That's unfortunate.
pretty. Nice block. Down back one. That's the all unblockable. Nice combo. Really go for setup. Nicely done. That's safe.
Now
That's that. No, it's not that.
it's a drop.
Nice.
The crowd is so hyped.
Keeping it calm. That's minus 14. Get punished. I hope he hears me.
Nice. That's 1 plus
1 plus 2, yeah.
1 plus 2.
That's well standing 2-4. That's punishable. Nice. Launch punish. Going for the low. Going for the sword sweep.
Oh, nice. That's
Nicely
nice.
done.
Nice round from zero there.
That's a very good neutral tool.
Fight.
It's safe on block, but first it is safe on block. And you get a mix up. Time hit. Nice.
That hurts.
That move looks like it's really hurt. Almost. Is this plus frame?
Oh, nice. Side step.
This could have been a hop kick.
Nice.
Nice launch punch. No. Going for stuff. Yoshimitsu stuff. Hop kick. Grab. Nice. Nice. Throw. He's going for the grab. The mix up. He goes for the flash.
Goes for the flash.
Round
I think I flash.
Nice. Good idea. Wrong decision. Another one. Low.
No.
Oh, nice. Oh, that one hurts. And he wraps it up with a perfect. It's
Nice
2-2.
message from zero there.
It's 2-2 now.
It's 2-2.
This could get really close.
Desgraciadamente para ti, hoy tengo un mal
Well, with the zero
Round
state.
one.
This is the last match of winners final. Who's gonna take it? Yoshimitsu with stuff we don't know, or Miguel with stuff we don't know?
Nice side step there from zero.
Nice punish. Forward 4-2-2 for the Ender. Can't forward 4. Nice movement. Goes for the Kabuki knee, but it misses. Goes for the setup. Nice low. That's plus.
Nice.
Nice running 3. First run goes to 0.
Fight.
Here is. Does he get anything off of it? No.
If he didn't do the follow up.
Yeah, if he had done the 4-3-3, he would have got something. Nice long punch. Does he know it's untouchable, or does he just do it?
No, he knows. You know.
I think he knows, yeah.
I think he knows. He did it too many times.
Props to him. Nice. Ooh, what was that? Parry probably?
Oh, nice start.
Down forward 1 plus 2. Another one. No punish on the sweep. So it's really close. This round could go either way.
Go with the Ria.
Down for 1, down for 1. Nice. Go for
Nice stop. Nice stop there from zero.
And now it's very well done.
Match point.
Now it's match point for 0. Nice down 4-2-1. Nice low parry.
No, he didn't.
I think it was not intended because he would have gotten the combo there.
Oh, nice.
Back 10 throw. That 4-2. Nice side steps.
Yeah.
Sweeps down forward 4. Will he duck? No, he will not. Nice attempt at a grab. Sprint was probably.
Yeah.
I think that's the only one for 2. Okay. This is really
Nice. Nice.
This is his round. With the style combo.
He's styling right.
Fight.
With the style combo. Ooh, never ruled Yoshimitsu out. Goes to the wall. This is unsafe. Nice throw break. You can duck that last hit. Nice duck. Nice sweep. Nice mix up. 1-3, he blocks it. It's really intense right now. 2 plus frames. He will go for more plus frames. Nice duck. Too late for the punch. Sadly. Nice. Oh, was sending 2-1.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
This is match point for both of them. Whoever takes this round takes the match. And
This is game
grand
plan.
final.
Ooh, nice.
He goes into Kitsu stance. 1+2 throw. Will Rod keep the composure? Will Zero keep the composure? And forward 1. 1+2. He goes for the low. He goes for the slide. Nice. He goes for the sweep. This is it. And with this, Zero goes to grand finals of Gamelands.
Y acabarán matando.
Well done, but also props to Rod for a very
Yeah, very
good Buenos
good
finals.
matches. That was very intense. Only here at Game Lane.
You can see Rod play everywhere, but he has the home advantage. So now we see losers finals.
So Zero goes straight to grand finals.
Zero goes to grand
And
finals
now-
and can relax for this match.
Now the winner from this match goes right back to Zero. Both Luxembourgers. So Rod versus Wrexham. A classic here in Luxembourg. Those two know each other.
So well, if you compare it directly, Luxembourg is better than Germany at the moment. There are 2 Luxembourgers in top 3,
Yeah. And we won Windjammers.
and we won Windjammers. We're the best.
And there's one Luxembourg in KOF. Top 3.
Yeah.
And
I wonder what that is.
and 3 Luxembourgers in melee.
Yep. We're Luxembourg's in melee because nobody from abroad comes
Yeah,
from
so
melee.
but still, what can you say? It's just Luxembourg, man.
So he going straight to Asuka.
Oscar Kazama.
It's recorded.
Without further ado, let's go to the first match of Losers Final on Abandoned Temple.
Now that's I didn't see which one he picked. Did you pick Asuka?
Yeah, pick Asuka.
Always go right
He's going
back.
for the main immediately. I think he doesn't trust Rod.
Yeah.
He doesn't go for Jin now.
I wouldn't trust Rod either.
Me neither. Wouldn't trust the Yoshimitsu player.
One of the best Luxembourgish players.
Yeah.
Rod versus Wrexham.
One of the classics here in Luxembourg.
Yeah.
Every tournament we have this match at least once. And it could go either way. They have to let the intros roll. It's tournament mode.
It's tournament mode.
Round 1.
Oh, with the ice
Here
cold.
we go with the custom. Great movement by both of them. Who goes in first? Yoshimitsu doesn't have to go in. With the running 3. Or 3+4, I don't know. That's the long.
Oh, nice.
Another one. Asuka still at full health, and Yoshimitsu already lost half of it. This one was sending 2. This one throw.
What was that?
Hop kick, I think. Rod is enraged, so his damage is buffed. One combo could do a lot of damage.
Nice.
Nice stuck and nice round. This first round goes to Wrexham. Nice armor move. The sweep. It's a dirty sweep. 2-2. In the 2s. Nice throw break. Down forward 1-4. Nice. He goes for the sweep as well. But the difference is Asuka's sweep is a launcher. Goes on the low probably. Nice. Or for down forward 1. Very nice.
Let's turn.
It's 1-1 in the first match. So what can we expect now? Nice punish. He's good. Nicely done. And he goes for the combo. This could go to the wall. Ooh, counter hit launch. This is death. This is it. This is not death. Perfect. This is perfect anyway.
Could have avoided the perfect.
Fight.
Yoshimitsu's gonna do something. Nice grab. Nice up forward 4. Up forward 1. Ooh, nice grab. 1+2 grab. The combo started. Look at the damage of that throw. Nice stuff. Nice punish. I would live with that damage.
What is talk about Lee?
Oh, nice lead. This is about Yoshimitsu and Asuka. Plus frames. Plus frames. Plus frames.
Ooh, the rain.
Done. This is 102 Rexham.
First match. But nothing is decided here again.
You can never count out a Yoshimitsu player, and even less, you can never count out Rod.
No. That's true.
手加
The
減
number, the number of times he did some comebacks
Round one.
Yeah,
to
definitely.
me.
Fight.
To lead. Me to lead. Wow.
That's for once.
Ooh, nice.
For 2-2. Nice
Nice
block,
block.
nice punish. This goes almost to the wall.
Ooh, that's the
Nice
there.
punish. Does Asuka have a launching while standing punish?
I don't know.
Me neither, I have no idea. Delayed hop kick would of course be the best choice, but well, we're not GDC on it.
No. Of course not.
He goes for the this is two. This is it. This is it. If it does drop.
no, he dropped.
This is not it. I jinxed it. Nice block.
Sorry, my bias.
Well done. Well done anyway.
Fight.
Didn't respect the fly stance.
Yeah. Which is hella fun.
Yeah. Most people just don't know. They're too afraid of Yoshimitsu. Ball 3. Obviously, it's wrecking.
Nice pickup for the combo.
I don't know the input.
Yeah, nice combo. Nice swing. Good play.
Ooh, nice. Knockdown. Back turn.
Ooh, could have popped it, yeah.
Nice confirm. Low. Another low.
Ooh, there was a flash. He wanted to flash there.
He wanted to flash it, but sadly he did it too early. So running lead. Nice sweep. For Rumpus too, for some reason. Ooh, this is. Ooh, nice low parry. Before that coming. Low parry into tippy toe. Goes to the wall. Does do the wall combo. Nice wall splash. Goes for the good mix up. Almost grab. No. He goes for Rage Art.
No, that was a rainbow
That
drop.
was not a punish.
No, that was a rainbow drop.
Was it?
Yes.
今日はこんぐらい
think so,
で
yeah.
許してるわ
So this
It's,
is-
it's his typical mix-up, but I don't know why the Rager came out. That also happened in Beto.
Yeah, did
That's the
it?
same. That's the same thing.
Ah. Well, we're getting requests from the
手加減いらんで
Round one.
Come on, man.
So, this is maybe the last match of winners finals.
Don't jinx it, man.
Of course, we want to see more of Yoshimitsu against Asuka. That's just cool. I didn't know. Ooh, that's half pickup. That's half life now.
More than half.
60%. This is gonna be it. Oh, nice bounce punish. He just knows it. The sword sweep. I'm not gonna say it because I'm gonna jinx it. Nice rage art. This is a lot of damage. He has almost no health left. Not rage yet. This is good for Rod. No. This is not good for Rod.
Round two.
This is not good. But it's good for Wrexham.
I have 4 possible rounds to go. Take down. Goes for the combo. Goes for the low again. Let's punish.
Good have punished that.
Minus 12 or 13.
Nice.
A kangaroo kick. Nice, nice, the tech trap. Oh, that's the grab. Back forward once. Nice. Hop kick. This is it. Perfect.
And the perfect.
7 magic letters.
Rod's still alive.
Rod can still take this. 4-3-3. The only person who ducks this is the person sitting next to me right here.
Yeah, that's true. I would even say, yeah, that's we're the only one. We have years of playing this Yoshimitsu
Exactly.
against this Yoshimitsu.
Ooh, nice low cut. Nice pickup. Didn't expect that. Plus frames, both respected. Let's see. Movement here. Something.
Okay,
Something.
give me 5. What is that?
I've never seen that.
Round 4.
That's the first. That's the first, man.
Oh, that's the first time doing it. I've never seen that. Spring as well. Yeah. It's getting out the cheap shit now. Oh, nice. Nice. Down back to one, I think. Nice tech trap. Get up. Nice block. This could be it. Nice. This is it.
Final round.
This is either match point for Action. If Rock takes this, they have more matches to go. Ooh, could have punished. Could have been punished this. Nice slide. Back to 2. Doesn't duck it. Nice down forward 4. Nice launcher. That's a screw. Nice block. No. Low. Don't do it on block. The launch. This is it.
Nice matches from Rock, man.
Although it's a 3-0. I don't think it was a 3-0. It shouldn't have been.
That's I would say a lying result.
Yeah. The result doesn't say what the matches were like.
Yeah.
Definitely not.
Could have gone either way, man.
Definitely. Yeah. So now we're going to grand final.
Grand finals, baby.
Xerox versus Wrexham. One of the best from Germany versus actually officially the best in Luxembourg.
I would say, yeah. One of the best in Luxembourg.
One of the best, definitely.
You couldn't count. You know, you saw the matches with Rod, but
Yeah, we saw the
you
match.
can't say that he didn't play well.
Yeah, you cannot say that he wouldn't have a chance. You cannot say anyone wouldn't have a chance. But still, gotta change the names.
But now Rod is third place. Now we want to see who's first place. Will it be a Luxembourg or will it be a German guy? Will it be Wrexham? Will it be Zero?
I think he will.
Oscar Kazama.
Will Luxembourg beat Germany again? Or will
Ready for the
Germany
next battle.
prevail this time?
Can we take the legacy from Windjammers here and bring it here to Tekken?
Can we beat the Germans down again? Just like in Windjammers?
Like in
Or will?
Windjammer. They're still salty.
Apparently that's a taboo for the Germans. Apparently that was a taboo for the Germans. We should not talk about that. But here we see Dragunov. That- Very nice scene.
My finger points.
I think a point.
There's also a finger point.
And also what?
So they're pointing at something.
Show him the running too. Show him the cheapness of the top tiers.
That's cheap shit.
On the new Final Fantasy stage. Down 2. Goes in. Very nice. Goes to the third one. The ultimate combo. Ooh, he goes for the sweep stuff.
Of course now Zero has had the time to analyze the game.
Definitely. He saw what he does and he doesn't.
Wrexham had the chance to do that too.
Exactly.
We're not fine.
No duck on that.
Full combo?
No. Nice was standing free.
Round 2.
First round goes to Zero.
This is the first round. Now we see. I feel like he's not using Dragunov's awesome punishing tools yet. He's not yet.
Not yet at least.
I think he still needs to feel the character.
Yeah.
He hasn't played Dragunov in tournament at all, I think.
I haven't seen him against.
Nice.
I didn't play against him.
Well done. Down 1, down 4, 1. He doesn't respect. Nice block, nice block. Cam-cams. What will Zero do with the rage again now? Will he go for instant rage strength? Will he go for the back sway? We go for green ranks.
Fight.
Third round.
That's a draw for now.
Ooh, nice. Oh, nice parry. No chicken on that. The launch. Was landing 1-3. Down 4, down 4-1. 1, down 4, 1-4. Doesn't duck it. Ooh, nice. Nice launcher. There's the unblockable.
You can't duck that. You can't duck that.
You cannot duck it. It's not Tekken Tag 2.
It ain't.
It ain't duckable
Tekken 7,
anymore.
baby.
Just for back 3. Did it too early. Standing 3. Down 2. Nice. Parry. Parry gives a wall split? I didn't know that.
Now we know.
Now we know.
The more you know.
So we see good movement from Zero. This song is just so good. Nice combo. Nice combo ender. Back cross plus 2. No. Does he go to waist dive? Nice.
So 1-0 for Wrexham. Luxembourg takes for Wrexham, but we have to say Wrexham, he comes from losers. So he has to win 3 sets 2 times in a row. Or 3 rounds 2 times.
1.
3 matches.
Fight.
Zero stays with Dragunov.
Nice. Goes to the wall. Back 2-1-3. Launch. Don't get anything from it. I want to see more running 2s. It's so satisfying to see. Big toe. Watch your feet. Nice one. 1-4-1-4. I think Zerok knows that he doesn't duck the 1-4-1-4. The low parry. 1. And it kills. Nice run.
That was a nice run.
Oh, he goes for key charge. The disrespect is starting.
He's trying to get in Wrexham's mind.
The silent trash talking. Nice down 4-2. Nice. Goes for the bread and butter combos. Wall flat. 2 low.
Nice can.
Nice can.
Nice.
4-1+2. For full combo. Nice 2. Nice low carry. Let's go for 2-1-4 again.
Nice.
There's 2-1. No punish on both of them.
Put him with nerves, man. No hurry.
Good dragon of movement using the roll head. Nice wedge drive. No.
Iman Harada.
Harada.
Almost there.
1-2. This could be. Go for it. Nice. Low block. 1-1.
Those matches, man. My heart.
Yep.
I can take it. They're a game like.
Back 4-2. Back 4-2-1. He doesn't know. He doesn't know the blue rank stuff.
Nice.
Nice. No punish on that. Weird. Yeah. Back 1+2. Plus frames. Down 2. Down 2. Down 2. Oh, he still gets it. I'm not seeing it. Ooh, this is getting loud.
Damn.
Wow. Damn. Pretty loud.
It's nothing to do with this here game like.
So either way, next hit kills.
Ooh, nice.
Nice interruption.
Round 4.
Very well done.
Fight.
I love this stage, man.
I love this music, man. Yeah, second set sounds like it's 5
Goes
euros.
to the 4-2. Wall combo.
There it is.
Working out perfect. To the mid. Down 1. Nice. Down flippers 4 with a
Perfect. Sending the message.
7 magic letters.
Don't get heat on.
Nice. Nice hop kick. Nice safe hop kick, as they say. Back on the stool. Go straight.
We're off, lad. Got the damage, lad.
Damage. Loose. It's 2.
Nice.
Nicely
big.
done. What? Goes for the full charge.
What was that? I don't know if that was intentional. Nice.
Nicely done. And just saved it.
That's 2-0 for Wrexham.
It's 2-0.
1 match away from bracket reset.
So either Xerox is going to take it, or Wrexham is going to make the bracket reset with the next match.
Some shoulder
We'll see what
choking.
happens. We'll see what happens. No pressure.
Welcome to the King of Iron Fist.
Going to Kazama. It's going for Lee.
Asuka Kazama.
The deal with the rose still stands.
You will get my rose. I'll give you my rose. If you pick Lee. He goes for
Ooh, he goes.
He goes for Lee.
Gotta represent.
That's a rose for you.
I hope we didn't influence too much.
Well, I don't think he picked Lee because of us. Coincidence. So now we see Lee Chaolan. Well, if it was Violet, that would be even more hype, but pretty good.
No, Lee is more hype.
Violet is better.
Okay, excellent.
Rose.
Look at this character, man.
He's just beautiful.
It's just excellent.
He's just excellent.
I don't know.
Round 1.
Who should I?
So, what is he gonna start with? He starts with running 3-4. Plus 4.
Nice.
Goes for 2-1. Nice combo. 4-2-1.
He knows that. He knows that.
Nice punish. Oh, nice low parry. Very nicely done. Expecting the plus frames. Goes for 2-1. Ooh, couldn't have come out of it. Where's the back twos, bro? No whip punish. Plus frames. Goes for 4-4. No punish. Nicely done. That's death.
Nicely done.
Nicely done.
Round 2.
Oh, the pump.
Fight.
On the commentator stand, Alik Sane and Super Nili. Goes for the launch. Down forward 4. We see some nice hitman stance neutral. Nice blocks.
Nice. Gets the launch.
But he drives the back 2 combos. Running 3-4. No. Those 4. He says wait. He has the advantage.
Nice.
Almost.
Always does.
Nice low dodge. Down 2, 1 plus 2, I think. Yep. Breaks the 1 plus 2 grab. Ooh, 4-2. Full combo. Goes for a reset. Well done. 8 seconds left on the clock. Zero's got to do something. Nicely done.
Round
It's 1-1.
3. Fight.
It wasn't nicely done. It was awesome done. Awesome.
No.
Atta.
4-2-1. Goes forward, down for 1. 4-4. No punish. Such a good theme. Down 1. Running 3-4. Nice low. That does good hitting stance for some reason. 3. No punish. Nice punish. Resets of course. Nice combo by Wrexham. He does not break the tackle. Nicely done. Down forward 1.
Round 4. Fight.
I think Zero doesn't know yet about the lead changes. That you can do 4 up 3 in combos now.
Maybe, but I don't know if he needs them.
I don't know if he needs it. It's been working pretty well for him without it.
His neutral is very on point.
His neutral is very, very good. Doesn't punish the 2. Nice. 2-3.
Get it.
Nice. This kills. Running 3-4. Nice. 7 golden ladders.
2-1. Who would have thought to see a Lee in grand finals?
Well, only in Luxembourg.
Only in Gameland.
楽しませてくれるのだろう。
手加減いらんで。
Round 1. Fight.
There are some technical difficulties. He knows the plus frames, although they're inconsistent. Low sweep. Yeah, okay. So there were no technical difficulties, we just thought so. All good.
Talk to you or something.
I do. I hear an echo.
So I'm not crazy.
You are, but I don't think we're both like crazy.
Crazy for Lee.
Everyone
Yeah,
is.
Lee actually.
Doesn't launch crouchers. Nice.
No! He should have
Drops
been
it.
it. That was his round. That was his round.
Is he gonna get robbed or is he gonna time him out? 6 seconds left on the clock. Nice running 3-4. First round goes to Lee. 0. I'll give it to 0. Ooh, nice spread leg. Goes for the blazing kick. course, the blazing kick has so much stardom. Nice whip punch. But weird combo. Big advantage now for Wrexham. You can see. Great move by Zero. He just puts his Q. Misstep 3+4. Down forward 4.
That was a mid.
Nicely done.
Round 3. Fight.
One for each.
Back 4. Tackle. Is he gonna break it? Yes, he is.
Oh, nice combo.
Nicely staying on the ground. Nice patience. 3-4.
Oh, there it is.
Nice combo. He shouldn't have done the back 2.
Yeah.
One of the most stylish combiners in the game.
Every move from Lee is stylish.
Everyone is.
That's why he's excellent.
He goes for the 10th frame starter. Nice while standing 4.
Round
And the 2-1 for good measure.
So the character switch was really good idea.
The character switch was a good idea. And good that we're commentating here.
Yeah. So you gotta give him the rose, man.
Definitely.
Either way.
And almost a nice whip punish. Good idea. Down 4-2. It's safe on block, but therefore it doesn't launch crouch. Nice sweep. Interesting combo, I've never seen it. Does he go for a jab? No.
Yeah, this guy's down the wall. Oh,
Yeah. I think he goes for back 2 combos too much. Just like us.
Yeah. Yeah. But, you know, we get greedy.
Yeah. You get greedy. If you do 1, you gotta 2 in the wall. It's just pretty much even right now.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Now it's even. Running 3-4. Nice. Okay.
Ooh, that was...
Down 4-2.
Ooh,
Nice grab break. Back 4 counter hits into a hitman stance.
Damn. They should decide, man. 2-2. So the 2-0 lead from Wrexham
楽しませてく
is
れるの
now
だろう
nullified. Nullified.
Could this be the comeback?
手加減いらん
That
で
may be it, man.
And did I jinx it right now?
Round 1.
I sure hope not.
We'll find out.
But it's Lee, so you cannot jinx it. He doesn't duck the 4-2-1. But it's... There's actually quite a little mix-up in there. It's not a good one, but it's... Ooh, doing the come on. Back 2-4-3. Back 2, back 2. 2 times. 4-2-1. Nice. Almost punished it. 4-4. He uses his frame advantage to the best. Nice movement. Nice green back dashes. Down for 1. Down for 1. 4-4-4. Nice frame advantage. Oh, that's the 4-2-2. Now we see Lee Charland running 3-4. Hop kick. Gets the low. Plus frames. Gets the jump.
Ooh, nice. It drops it. That would have been nice. That could have been it.
That would have been it, definitely. 7 seconds left.
But it wasn't that easy.
Columbus 2. This is it. He cannot kill anymore. He can't kill anymore.
Can't kill.
Zero just put the controller down.
He knows the mind game.
He knows it.
He's an experienced player.
Although he's only 1 or 2 years older than me. Also about
He's still pretty young.
He's still pretty young, yes. And already that good in fighting games.
Young blood, man.
Yeah. The future. Focus to grab, doesn't break it. Goes for down 4-3. Down 3. Launch punishable, but many people don't hold.
Attack that. Ooh, that was the grab.
Kick. Nice block. Does he get it?
Ooh, that's too difficult, man. Email Arana, please.
Give me a make Lee better. This could be it. Nice race drive.
I saw that coming. I saw that coming.
Round 3.
Wrexham still there, man.
I don't see any real slides from Lee. This is weird.
Yeah.
Just chipping away on their health. And Lee just taking it. Nice whiff punish. 4-2-1. 1 and 3-4. Nice 4-4-3. Oh, hop kick. Goes for the damage. Nice no parry. Will we see a Rage Art enter?
Ooh, nice.
No! Go for the rage drive! Not now! Not now! Wrong timing!
But nicely done from Wrexham.
But nice
Nicely
whip
done
punish.
from Wrexham.
Round
Whip
4.
punish was there.
Fight.
So,
Now,
this could be
yeah,
the
Wrexham.
bracket reset from Wrexham.
One round away from bracket reset from Wrexham.
Nice launch punish. Goes for the setup. So what is Zero gonna do? 4-2-1 whiff punish. Let's see, nice duck. No, done for 1 plus 2. 2, 2, 3. Nice whiff punish. This is it. No, it's not it. Nice low block. This could be it. This could be the bracket reset. It is. It is. Nicely played. Just wrecking the camera. The hype cannot be contained. So now we have the bracket reset. 0-0 again, both in losers.
The camera still works, yeah?
Welcome to
It's okay, man.
Iron Fist Paul Phoenix.
That was nice. That was nice. Nice round.
Both in losers now. We're going to Brimstone and Fire. One of my favorite stages in the game.
Get ready for
So
the
I didn't see who they picked. Did you see?
No, I didn't see. But I think that
I think it took
Wrexham.
Paul now. I think
Yeah?
I think Xerox is putting out the main. Yeah,
we're
definitely.
coming with Paul.
Now he's taking it completely seriously.
That's Fist versus
Will Wrexham handle the Death Fist Demo Man 50-50?
We'll see.
We'll see.
Here.
At Gameland. So we see Paul versus Oscar
ちゃちゃっとやろうか
with that
round
voice.
1. Fight.
Some say it's annoying.
Because it is. Nice launch punish. Nice counter hit launch. Does he get the wall? Yes, he does.
Look at the damage.
No launch punish on that.
Oh, there it is.
Nice, no duck. Nice movement. It's impressive how he can do the Korean backdash without getting a sweep, without getting a back swing.
There it is. Ooh, drops it.
This is nice setups, plus frames. Ooh, should have gone for the elbow.
Nice spacing.
See the movements, great neutral here.
Very patient play now.
Nice low.
There is the
That
death
fist,
fist.
no punish. Ooh, Demo Man!
Round 2. Fight.
That's Paul stuff. Back 1 plus 2. Safe. Oh. He doesn't get it. Too far away. Nice throw break.
Attack though. You can't throw zero.
Zerok just knows that nobody ducks the for 2-1. This is just frame, by the way. Nobody ducks it. But he ducks this one. And Zerok knows that he's not that good at throw break. Ooh, nice.
Ooh, they won't. Ooh, no,
Nice
watch your
low.
feet. Watch your low.
1-1. This could go either way. Nice. Backsway 2. Nice. Death Fist. Half life. Hammer of the Gods.
Ooh, what the?
Thingy. Death. Nicely done.
Convincing round from zero
Round
there.
4.
Very convincing indeed.
When Paul hits, he hits hard.
Ooh, nice. Death Fist. Death Fist. A third of life gone.
So, will we see more death fist?
Damn it! The fisting. The death fisting continues.
You win.
So Zero takes the lead here. At Gameland.
But will Zero death fist himself to victory
Here.
at Gameland? Paul, one of the best characters in the game. Top 5 in my opinion, definitely. Strong 50-50 game, incredible damage,
Fight.
incredible hair. Nice, up for 3. Back on plus 2, he doesn't duck it. Demo man. Back to 1.
Nice duck.
Nice. This is that. Nicely done.
Look at the chunk of red damage.
And that's guaranteed on normal hit.
Somebody put some Kool-Aid under this.
Definitely.
Put the Kool-Aid at.
This is Demo man. Nice. Death Fist. But we see another perfect here at Gameland. Will we? We will.
Perfect.
Nice. Another perfect.
Convincing character switch again.
Definitely. I think Lee and Paul are doing it for him.
Yeah.
One, two, 1 plus 2. Will he get the wall? He will.
He will.
What will he do for the mixer? Nice back 1, 2. Nice 4, 4, 2.
Nice.
The crouch is done for 2. Nicely done. Back 4. Back 4 as well.
No.
He doesn't take that grab all the time. Nice sway. Sway again. Will there be death
Watch out
fist?
for that. Watch out for the death fist.
Watch out. Death fist incoming. Death fist incoming. Death fist incoming. I can smell it.
Tag that, man.
Nice.
Don't move it like that.
He doesn't need a death fist, but he's gonna get it.
Come on.
Red strive incoming, I think.
Nice. Nice punish.
One. Nice punish.
Then again,
2-1. 2-0. 2-0.
Excellent.
This could be the last match in the Tekken tournament. This is tournament point for 0.
ちゃちゃっとやろうか
But
I believe Wrexham can.
I believe Wrexham can make the comeback.
He has the capability.
He probably does.
I think he struggles against Paul because he doesn't know Paul.
He probably doesn't. He knows it. He used the elbow. Nicely done. That's not. I think it's safe. I'm not sure.
Hop kick. Ooh, nice.
That's this. Hand of the gods again. Nicely done.
That's a mid, man.
Forward. Hammer of the gods. Such a good move.
Nice. Power crush.
What will he go for? Magic 4.
Nice. Get together.
Down back 4. Down back 3. Better kicks.
That shit hurt, man.
Setups. Ooh, nice. Nice. Down forward 2.
Ooh, what the?
He goes for the combo. Delayed hop kick. No.
Nice. He dropped that.
Round
Don't style on Wrexham.
An interesting combo anyway.
Nice. No punish.
Nice, no punish. It's not that punishable. It's only 4 punishable.
Yeah.
Just like kings. Nice, down 1, down 2. Goes for the back sway 2.
Nice.
Ooh, nice cans. Weirdly, no counter.
Gotta watch for the death fist, man.
The death fist.
Tournament round.
Tournament round. Will he death fist himself to victory? Nice whip punish. 4-2.
Come on, man.
And he gets the bread and butter combo. Nice 4-1-2.
Come on, get the damage.
Nice low. Nice.
Saw that.
Nice low parry. 4-1-2. Down 4-2. Punish that.
What that is?
I don't know. Something.
Come on, man.
It kills.
It's still there, man.
It's still tournament point. Tournament round. Here at Gameland. So people are cheering up for Zero because they want to go to Burger King.
Burger King
I love
was
Death
great.
Fist. Death Fist. Ooh, Shredder kicks. Death Fist. Goes for the style.
Man. We know that in shit in Luxembourg.
Back 1, back 2, back 1, 2. Cross break. No, he gets it. Nicely played.
Nice play.
Gratuit. Gratuit. I don't even play this game. Strong words by a strong player. No, much respect.
Much respect. Okay. No disrespect though. It's only fun and games here.
It's only for fun. It's only trash talk. Not to be taken seriously. That was the Tekken 7 tournament at Gameland. Zarok takes it, so Germany can at least win one tournament here. Yep. So now we go straight to the winner ceremonies. So,
Yeah, winner ceremonies for King of Fighters.
winner ceremonies for King of Fighters and then for Tekken.